everyone, how are you all doing? I am Shilpa. I am a beauty, fashion, lifestyle and much more content. So good morning, good afternoon, whatever time you're watching right now. So this video is going to be a bit cringe for me. I was continuously going through a lot of organic and Ayurvedic related stuff, and I saw this video of a boy who recovered from sinus from Satvic movement. So the Satvic movement, they do a lot of Ayurvedic related and all those videos. I watched this thing called Enema in a Prerna Chopra. There is a fashion creator in her video where she was talking about the cleansing of her body, like things which help her to heal acne, this and that. So I watched it before, but this time when I saw this on the sinus video, I was like, something is there. Then I checked up on their entire video, just all fully talking about enema. So I was like, okay, this sounds a bit scary when it was like told by Prerna in another video. Then when I checked up their video, I was like, okay, maybe. Because in Ayurveda it is very common to pour something in your nose, something in your ears and something everywhere. So I was like, okay, let me try. But I was very cringed about the factor that we have to pour in water in our body and that will be cleansing the things internally. This sounds so scary. Basically, we will pour water inside our body and then it will be coming out, which by clearing the entire intestine. And it is normal because they are only saying it's like brushing our teeth. We are anyway pouring water inside our mouth. This and that. Oh my god, too much cleansing. So I ordered this thing from Amazon. This is the enema kit, and this one I bought for like around 200 something. Satvic movement also have this, not movement also have this. So this is the kit. I just got it today. I was on the bed because I was shit sick, sinus issues. So it is said that for fat burning, for basically all problems, even to skin related issues, this is good, it seems. So this is the dabba. I think there is a hole to like hang it, and I'm not even filming in a proper setup. Okay, this is a cover, and we have this, and we have these two to pour in water, and this one. So basically we have the pipe attachment, it seems. This is the lock. Here we can stop it and here we can pull it in. Something. Basically. This is the stopper and all. Right. This is the dabba. It is said that if we are a starter, we only want to take something less than 500 ml. So something like here. We have the dabba and we have the pipe. So let's try it, guys. I don't think I'm going to review this today. I will do it for like 2-3 days, then I'll let you know. I'm scared. Same for me. And by the way, if you don't know anything about this, make sure after watching this video, go and make sure to watch this video, or somewhere I'll link their video, or you can just go to YouTube and check Satvic movement enema something. It will come automatically. So let's do this, guys. Chalo, next. Yes guys, it's been a while after trying enema for around maybe hardly around 10 days, and to be honest, I felt so good about it. First of all, it was very easy to use. The only problem which I felt was to hold the water inside my tummy for a longer time, because it was becoming a bit difficult for me. Even today, I can only hold it for around 3 to 4 minutes, maybe because it is said that the amount of junk you have in your tummy, it will take time for you to hold. I had heard something like that. So other than that, I think it is helping me in a lot of sense. And also from the Satvic movement, I have also started doing the wet pack technique. So basically you have to tie up this thing and all, like cloth and all. I will link their video down below. But for me, this worked perfectly well, totally painless. But make sure that you're washing the knob and everything. And other than that, this is like no harm kind of thing. The only thing is you should use it after 3 to 2 hours after having your food, and that's it. And for me, it was like a good experience. And if you have tried this before, make sure to let me know. And also, I think the first or second time I felt like I couldn't control, because I think the conscious mind of us will try to pull it out, because the problem is this is a new other outer substance coming into your body, right? So maybe because of that, but other than that, the entire thing was very smooth to use, and I have already recommended to my family, because I have heard a lot of things about that afterwards on my research and everything. So I think this was a success for me, but I have to make sure that I'm holding this for a long while. Planning to do it for coming 21 days, but I have taken breaks in between. And yes guys, so that's it about trying enema kit for the first time. If you have tried this before, make sure to let me know. I'll link down the product below. If you want to try, you can give it a go. I think it's good for migraine, skin, the pore cleansing, blood cleansing, this and that, like a full body cleanse. So yeah, and this is also said to be like, if you tried with 16-hour fast, it will work much better, it seems. So I haven't tried that, and don't I was filming a video and all, that's why I'm like fully dolled up. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and I hope you got something out of this video. Make sure to give this a big thumbs up. Make sure to share this video with your friends and family, and also make sure to follow me on my Instagram, because I am coming up with new amount of fashion education and fashion knowledge over there. Make sure to follow me over there, and also make sure to subscribe to this channel, because I'll be back with amazing videos very soon. So till then, this is me, Shilpa, signing off, and bye bye, take care.